Healthcare demands world-class doctors, specialists, technicians to treat health emergencies with the most modern equipment. Oxymed Hospital does just that. At Oxymed Hospital, innovation meets compassion to deliver healthcare that changes lives. Established in 2004 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Our 24-hour multi-specialty institution is dedicated to advancing patient care through research, evidence-based medicine, and personalized treatment. We are especially committed to supporting patients with heart failure and those facing limited or inoperable treatment options, offering new possibilities, renewed hope, and better outcomes. Internationally recognized for his pioneering research in heart failure treatment, Dr. Sama Akbar has contributed to the global advancement of cardiac care through publications in the Journal of Cardiac Failure and Research, indexed in PubMed. His award-winning scientific presentation at AIIMS stands as a testament to his dedication to innovation, scientific excellence, and academic leadership. Together, Dr. Sama Akbar and Oxymed Hospital continue to shape the future of cardiac care, driven by a commitment to prevention, intervention, research, and compassionate healing. Oxymed Hospital, advancing lives through prevention, intervention, research, and compassion.